I was surprised how easy it is to roast a beautiful cup of coffee on a machine like the Kaffelogic Nano 7. Nevertheless, there are some things that are helpful to know about the machine, but also about coffee roasting and green coffee in general that will help you to increase then the quality of roast that you get out of this machine. And this is why I made a comprehensive online course on coffee roasting, but also specifically on the Kaffelogic Nano 7, where we have a look at the machine. We open the machine, we look at it in detail, how it's built, we look at the software, we look then at the different add-ons, but also share experiences from the practical use of the machine. But in addition to that, we also then really deep dive into coffee roasting. I give you all the information so that you can take decisions to get a beautiful roast out of the green coffee beans. We also talk about green coffee beans in general, how they're different from each other and how you can find the right one for you. And we also talk about how you do a professional cupping and how you evaluate a coffee so that you really then proceed with your coffee knowledge and at the end get the coffee that is really perfectly for the taste experience you are looking for. All in all, it's a 3.5-hour video course. It is unlimited, so you can always come back and review any chapters that you want to have a look at again. It's a course that is then really made so that beginners are getting the information they want from it, but also if you want to really deep dive into the machine, into the settings, into the software, you can then get the information for you that is really helpful for you to find all the details that you can get out of this machine. All in all, it's a comprehensive online course, and if you want to know more about it, then follow the link here. But what's even better, if you get a Kaffelogic Nano 7 from us, from Roast Rebels, you even get the online course free with each Kaffelogic Nano that you buy from us. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to know more about coffee roasting, about the Kaffelogic Nano or the online course, then always head over to our website or contact me. I'm happy to help.